One of my favorite things, lavender body oil that you've made yourself. Easy peasy, come along with me. So to make Rosemary Gladstar's lavender body oil is very easy peasy. You need a glass jar, you need a funnel. You're going to put 3 tablespoons of lavender herb in there, the flowers. You can get them from your garden dried, or you can get dried lavender herbs online. You're going to put 1/2 cup of pure almond oil. Put a lid on the jar. Make sure that the lavender oil lavender is covered with oil, and let it sit on your counter, a sunny spot, for 2 to 3 weeks. After 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to strain the oil. Pour the oil into a decorative jar. To the oil, you're going to add 10 drops of lavender essential oil. If you keep the oil out of direct sunlight and bottled in a glass jar, it will keep for up to 6 months. Now you have a beautiful body oil that you can use after your bath. Put it on your skin for nice smooth skin. You can use it all over your body, or you can take about 1/2 teaspoon of this and put it in your bath water. Luxurious, beautiful. And put your candles on, recharge the batteries. Just remember, if you do use it in your bath water, you will have to wash your bathtub out because the oil will stick to the sides of the bathtub. But one of my favorite things, beautiful lavender body oil that you made yourself. You have a great day.